In this video, I will show how you can update VirtualBox Manager to its latest version. So let's get started by opening VirtualBox Manager. Click on the File menu and then click on Check for Updates. Here you will see the new version found. Click on this three dot icon. Now you can download this version using this link. Click here to download. It may take a while. Now open this file. Now allow this app to make changes to your device. Click on yes. Now click on next to continue. Now select the way you want features to be installed. Select the location. Click on next. Click on yes. Click on yes. The setup wizard is ready to begin the custom installation. Now click on install. Here you will see the previously installed Oracle VM VirtualBox Manager version. Now close VirtualBox Manager. Now click on retry. You may need to press retry button several times. That's it. Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.8 installation is completed. Now click on finish and open VirtualBox Manager. Now I'm going to see the VirtualBox Manager version. This is the VirtualBox Manager version 7.0.8. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.